Ever wondered how your room AC, your office AC is getting cool if you have a chiller system in your building? So guys, I'm going to explain you here total 4 cycles. Okay. So guys, welcome to my channel. This is my facility management channels where I am teaching all hard services, soft services, as well as here I'm going to explain you HVAC related. Okay, so in HVAC related, the chill water system. In chill water system, if you have a chill water system in your building, how your room, your office is getting cool. There are total 4 cycles I'm going to explain you very well. If you are a professional engineer, technician, even you are a resident, okay, you will understand very well here how these cycles are working. Okay guys, cycle 1 is a air cycle normally. Okay, cycle 1, what explains you here? Cycle 1, this cycle. Okay, this cycle here, you see here, this cycle. Okay, if you see here, this cycle explains you about air cycle. Okay, and the cycle second is this cycle. If you see these cycles, in second cycle you will see only chill water. Okay, chill water is passing here. Okay, and the third cycle is a refrigeration cycle. Okay, now guys, you see here, this one is the refrigerant cycle where the refrigerant is flowed in a refrigeration cycle, and the fourth and the last cycle is the hot water. Okay, if you see, this one is cooling tower, condenser and condenser pump. Okay, this is the fourth cycle. So these four cycles I am going to explain you very well. Okay guys, so I'm getting back to you. Example, in your room or in your office, when you entered and now you want AC to be cooled, correct? When you start your thermostat, okay, you have a thermostat here. If you see here, this is your thermostat. This is your thermostat. Now when thermostat will start, if the room temperature is 27-28 degrees Celsius, you need 24 to 23 degrees. Once you start, what will happen guys here? The air 28 degree, when this FCU, if you see here, when this FCU will start, this AC which is above your ceiling, wherever it is fixed inside your room, your offices, what will happen? This will start and it will suck air from here and it will supply air here. Okay, you see here, it will suck and supply air here. Now when it is sucking 28 degrees Celsius. If you see here, this is a 28 degrees Celsius sucking and supplying 12.5 degrees Celsius. You see here, 12.5 degrees Celsius it is sucking. Okay, so now guys, now when 28 degrees Celsius, passes through this FCU, there is a chill water passing from it. If you see here, these lines are connected to this FCU. The chill water will pass from here. The 6 to 8 degrees Celsius temperature chill water passing through this coil. When air passes through this coil, what will happen? This air will get cool and then this air will go here. So normally if you see this is connected with duct. Okay, there will be a duct here in your room and it is connected with duct. Okay, like this it is connected. Okay guys, see here, it will be connected like this with the duct. Okay, it is connected with the duct. So 28 degrees Celsius will come here and 11 to 12 degrees Celsius going to the room. So now from the room, this AC will take this heat and then this heat will, where it will go? It will give his heat to this chill water. Okay, this heat will give to the chill water. So now this cycle which I explained you, this cycle is finished here. Okay, it is taking heat from the room, giving it to the absolute chill water, and then this heat is given to the chill water pipe. You see the chill water pipe, the chill water to the chill water. Now guys, as I explained you, the cycle second start here. Okay, so in second cycle what is going to happen? Now what water is taken? If you see here, the FCU given his heat to this, one here. Oh, here if you see, given here heat. Okay, now this heat is going 9.4 degrees Celsius to the evaporator. This is the evaporator. Okay, in evaporator water is getting cooled. Now that's cooled water 4.5 degrees Celsius going to building again. So there are two pumps they have used. One is secondary pump. Okay, this is secondary pump taking water from the evaporator and going to the sending it to the building, and the second pump is the primary pump. Primary pump, what does? It is taking water from the building and giving it to the evaporator. Okay guys, so this way, this cycle this cycle will keep on rounding by these two pumps. Okay, so what is happening here now? What chill water took the heat from the room by using FCU, and it gives to the evaporator here, this evaporator. Okay, so this cycle will keep on rounding like this. Okay, secondary pump, primary pump, like this it will round. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, okay, so now when this heat will taken by here, third cycle will start here. What's our third cycle is telling you here? Okay, this is a pure refrigeration cycle, guys. Okay, this is a refrigeration cycle. Okay, what is happening here now? The hot water which is coming from the room, there is a refrigerant in this pipe. These pipes, what is going? Refrigerant gas is going through these pipes. Okay, these pipes, what they will do, these pipes will the gas which will cool, it will cool this water. Okay, so let's say if you see here now, when this heat is coming from here, okay, so this refrigerant will boil, the gas will boil and it will go in the compressor. If you see here, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature will be for that gas when it boils, 20 to 35. This is gas R134A refrigerant is used here. Okay, this gas has been used here. Okay, now this gas, when this gas going here, what will happen? The compressor will pump this gas in high temperature and high pressure. If you see here, discharge line, high temperature and high pressure it will go. Okay, now from here it is in the liquid vapor state. That vapor state will go in the condenser by water. This is cooling tower here. If you see, by water it will get cool, and then the cooled refrigerant, the liquid refrigerant will go near expansion valve. Expansion valve, what it will do? It will reduce the pressure here. Okay, it will reduce the pressure here, and once the pressure is reduced, if you see here, and the liquid line, how much it is? 110 to 140 psi. If you see here, what is this? Okay, 110 to psi, right? Temperature. Now if you see here, and the other side of the liquid line from the expansion valve, it reduced to 22 to 45 degree 45 psi. Okay, and temperature has reduced to -10 to 5 degrees Celsius. This is the property of the gas, because of that it is happening. Okay, so now here what will happen? This -10 to -10 to 5 degrees Celsius will go to the evaporator. Okay, in the evaporator it will take heat from the chill water which is coming from it will take, and it will give. So now this heat taken by here, right? Correct, compressor. Now this heat will, how it will throw, it will go to the cooling tower. So now here what is happening here? The cycle which I told you, the fourth cycle is going to start here. Okay guys, so here now how it is going to happen? There is a condenser pump here. Okay, what condenser pump is doing? The water which is coming from the cooling tower, cold water, it is going here, and the refrigerant, the hot vapor refrigerant which is coming from the compressor, it is getting cold here. Okay, it is cold, and then it is converting to liquid. Okay, so by using this water, then when this water becoming, now if you see here, this is 27 degrees Celsius water. When it is going here, it is taking heat from this, the heat which is coming from room. Okay, how it is coming? It is coming from this room here, it is taken and it is going to the cooling tower. Okay, in cooling tower there are sprinklers, fan is there on the top, basin is there. Okay, now what happening here? The water, the all the heat is rejected here. Okay, you see here, the heat is rejected. You guys might have seen some buildings, you will see there is air is coming, right? Example, if you are around in Dubai Mall area, there is a the ETS stations are there. Okay, district cooling plants. If you see there will be a heat like this. Okay, heat will be going from here like this. Okay, so now that heat will be transferred. That means heat taken from the room, see, from this room, and it is going here. Okay, so this way, this is a cycle 4. Okay dosto, hope you understood this cycle very well. Okay, so this way, from your room, okay, from your room to cooling tower, heat is rejected by these 4 cycles. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Guys, if you need such a more videos, please comment below on which topic I should make another video, and please subscribe my channel so that you will get more videos. Whatever videos I am going to have, you will be get notification. Okay, so please like this video, comment below and share with your friends. By the time, bye bye. We'll see you on next video.